All right, we're filming.
So we have the Samsung Unfold.
Hey, the Samsung Unfold, is that what we're calling it? Okay. So it's not the Galaxy Flip 3.
Nope.
Okay. Got some stuff there. You guys can have a look at that. Right. On to the next thing.
Oh, hi guys. My name is Faye. Hi. So let's get this unboxed. Look at that. I am so excited. Oh wow, look at that guys. This looks absolutely amazing. What the heck? You got a little pouch thing. Oh, there's a charger in there, but there's nothing else. So Samsung are trying to behave like Apple now. That's basically it. Little manual on there. Oh wow. This looks better when it's yours. Look at that. This feels amazing. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna pass it over.
Alright, babe says she's too shy for the rest of the video and it got too overwhelming. So, first impressions. This thing is kind of sexy. I love the way it says Samsung at the back there. Can you guys see that? And then that kind of disappears when you fold it open. You can fold it open with one hand. Boom, just like that. The Samsung bit kind of disappears, isn't it? It's mad. It's actually quite sexy. It's quite a sexy phone, I'm not gonna lie. I've also been playing around with this little screen on the front here. I never realized that it was a fully fledged screen, like a proper thing. I thought it was just like this kind of black and white screen, but you can actually double tap the power button and open up the camera. Can you guys see that? You can actually open up the camera and you can literally swipe between video and camera mode. The only issue is that in video mode, you're limited to 1440p by 1440p square video. I don't know why, but that's just what it is. So yeah, 1:1 video, 1440p by 1440p. Not sure what resolution the pictures are, but yeah, they do look good quality because obviously it's being taken on the rear facing camera. Apart from that, obviously, you know, you got your time there. You can hold down on the clock. Wait, there we go. You can hold down on the clock to change the face of the time thing that you want there. Can you see that, guys? So you can just change the face. There we go. Let me get my chubby thumbs out of the way so you guys can see what's going on there. Look at that. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so first impressions, guys. When you actually get the thing, you flip it open with one hand and everything, which is possible as you can see. Yeah, no, it's quite decent. Obviously, side mounted fingerprint sensor, which you guys know I'm already fond of. In terms of camera, you've got 4K 60 frames per second on the rear camera and the front facing camera. So very good for vlogging, especially when you consider the fact that you can also close it and do that vlogging method that I showed you guys earlier, albeit it's at 1440p by 1440p though. Generally, scrolling through the phone feels really nice and snappy as it did on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and that's probably because you got that 120 Hz there just doing its thing. But under all of that, it's just a Galaxy S21 phone that folds in half. There's no extra features that you get for it folding in half, apart from it being smaller to fit inside your pocket. That's it really. There's a little gap there where you can see, can you see the little gap there? Little gap there. Yeah, no, this is nice. This is actually nice. It's decent. If you're getting it for the design, which is what you're getting this phone for, then go for it. If you're getting it for the functionality, this over an S21 series, yeah, I'd definitely say go for it if you're gonna get it over the S21 and the S21 Plus. But bear in mind, it only has ultra wide and normal wide lens. It doesn't have that telephoto lens for those zoomed in shots, nor does the ultra wide do that macro thing where it can get very close to things. Now obviously, as I said, this is my first impressions. The battery is yet to be tested. It seems to be draining quite well, but being a 3300 milliamp battery, I'm kind of worried about that. But yeah, time will tell, and obviously when we've had this for like a month kind of thing, we'll come back to you guys with our full review to let you know what's really good. Anyway, catch you guys in a bit. Bless.